Hi, welcome to another CSA. I'm sorry it's a little bit dark in here, but I'm doing this later on. And it is getting to, well, it's still summer yet, technically, even though the weather is cooler, and we are in September. So there are three CSAs left for this season, and so this is the the first in September. There's going to be one more in September and two in October. So this was a slightly larger amount that we received. So a lot of more fall goodies, I guess. This was a white, I'm assuming it's a white acorn squash. That's what it looks like to me. And two other acorn squashes. Yes, I'm enjoying a nice glass of red wine. And actually, I have to say, if any of you have seen these, I love these little glasses. Those are from IKEA. I don't know if they're meant for wine or not, but they're stackable. So it's nice. It takes up a lot less space in your cupboard. They're inexpensive. And rather than having the nice tall glasses with the tall stems and they take up a lot of space, this is a really good one. So anyway, we got a thing of yellow beets, a thing of red beets. This is a red leaf lettuce, a head of romaine, a thing of spinach. Let's see, carrots. I got six corn. Thing of parsley, big thing of celery, two little yellow squashes, one little tiny zucchini, two cucumbers, three tomatoes, three red onions, three really big potatoes of some sort. I don't know whether they're just white. I don't think they're Yukon Gold or anything. I think it's just a big white potato. Purple kohlrabi, which is something I really like. And then I got two different types of apples. I think that's Macintosh. I'm not sure what that is. It might be a Granny Smith. It could be a little Golden Delicious that's actually green at the moment. So I'm not really sure. I didn't look at the list. Usually I get the list the day before or the day of that it's coming. So I don't really know exactly what I'm getting until that time frame. So anyway, this is it for this haul. This is, again, I have three more left and then I'm done. So I think I'm going to be starting that CSA tips video that I had mentioned, the pros and cons of things, and just if you're ever thinking about a CSA. I wrote down a whole bunch of questions that people might have. Anyway, so that is that. And enjoy the rest of your evening, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.